first question. The first thing you need to do, Caitlin, is you need to, alright, collect your like terms. What are like terms? They have to have the same letter. So I look at that, I look at that, and I look at that, and I say, yes, they all have an M. That's 6 I did not include because it doesn't have an M. So now I just look at the ones that have an M. I have 8M take 5M. 8M take 5M gives me 3M, because 8 take 5 is 3. Then I've got 3M plus 12M gives me 15M. Now, that 6, that plus 6 is still going to be my answer because it's still in the sum. So my answer is just simply 15M plus 6. Hands up if you got that right. Okay, good. Well done for those people that got it right. Alright, going on to the next one. Listen, the way that I do this, I'm going through it very slowly for you, but if this helps you in your test or it helps you in class, you do the circling as well. Okay, oh, I didn't mean to circle that one. Circle your like terms to help you. Okay, so I've got 8A and I've got an A there. The others, I'm not going to circle. That one doesn't have an A, that one doesn't have an A. And those two aren't like either because that one has a C and that one doesn't have a C. So they are the only like terms in this question. I have 8A and I take away, what does it mean when there's only a letter, no number? 1. So you've got 8 take 1 is 7. So I have 7 A's. Now, have I got any more terms that have a C in it? No. So that plus 3C is going to be the next part of my answer. Do I have any terms that just have letters in it? No. So plus 7 is the answer. Okay, hands up if you got that one right. Good. Good to see some hands up. Alright, now the next question is looking at distributive law, which means you multiply everything outside by everything inside. So 2 multiplied by P gives me 2P. 2 multiplied by 3 gives me 6. Are those two like terms? No, they're not, because that one has a P and that one doesn't, so that is your answer. You can't go any further. Let's look at the next question. I multiply everything outside the bracket by everything inside the bracket. So W times A gives me AW, or WA, doesn't matter which order you write the letters. Then W times 6 gives me 6W. Now I have this plus 2W on the end. Now, have I got any like terms there, guys? No. Yes. 6W and 2W are like terms because they both contain a W. AW is not a like term because that is an AW. That's a totally different thing. So, collect your like terms and your answer will be AW plus 8W. Bit of a mouthful, isn't it, that one? AW plus 8W is your answer to that one. The last one, I multiply B by 2A, I multiply B by 3. B times 2A gives me 2AB plus 3 times B is 3B. Are they like terms? No, they're not. That one has an AB, that one just has a B. They are your answers. Now, if you got those 5 questions completed and you got them right, then the booklet you're going to work